Okay guys, so this is the next thing we're going to install. Part number 4. We're going to do a dry run first, and then we'll stick it on. I may use my heat gun to kind of contour it. It has a slight curve here. It doesn't go directly across, curves down. So I'm gonna make it look as factory as possible. And okay, that's it. We're installed. Use the heat gun to make sure it stays here contoured. It does try to come up because it is slightly bent or on an angle, so it's trying to lift up there. But now we're pretty much stuck on. Was using this because I didn't get any finger marks or my fingerprints in this because this was kind of heating up. So I want to use this to kind of use that contoured area to curve it down, to ride along the center of this, to just make sure it don't stain, just or my finger marks or fingerprints don't get stuck in this rubber permanently. So just using this trim tool to kind of making sure it stays firm or pressing firm around or along this rubber trim to make sure it sits firmly within this channel. So that's it. Next video coming up shortly. Not sure what it's going to be, but it'll be along the lines of maybe these marker lights or something. I'm not sure, but yeah. So I want to show you all something. Look at this. I had tape stuck on this thing, holding place for about a week straight. And look at this. It's still sticky. This adhesive ain't worth nothing. But we're gonna fix all this. And this is cleaned off super good. It's just not sticking to this paint. So we're gonna fix this right now. Let's remove it. And I'll show you all what I'm gonna use to guarantee it's gonna stick permanent. Oh, this is just terrible. Look at this mess. One whole week, nothing. But we gotta show everything. I'll show how to do it. Still got soapy suds water on it for me cleaning off this somewhat. Look at that, just peeling off. I'm not even pulling it, it's just coming off. We're gonna use that water with the soap in it just to clean this off some more, and then we're gonna make sure it's Probably use some alcohol to rub in this channel and get it stuck on here. All right, let me set this up to do it. I'm gonna use this. This stuff is incredible. Been using it for many, many years on many different things. This is gonna work perfect, guarantee it. But we gotta clean this channel up first. I mean, this thing is smooth. Just one stick. It just one stick, guys. I'm also gonna put some alcohol on a rag and rub in that channel. All right, you know what? I'm gonna spread some across here. Look how sticky this stuff is. Look at that. It just won't stick to that surface. I'm also doing just a quick video on that installation as well. That'll be on the channel. It's just alcohol. Or 90% isopropyl alcohol. I'm gonna spread something on here. Let me get a glove. We'll spread it out on there. I didn't record me reinstalling this. I just showed me installing it already, so I just thought it was unnecessary, but it rolled directly back in place. The good thing about it this time, the trim had already contoured to those curves in the bumper when I removed it the first time, so it just rolled directly back in place. And I used some painter's tape and found me anything I could to kind of hold it in place just for about 24 hours, and I'll talk about that in a second. But yeah, I didn't record that. I just show you all how I got it taped up right now, just to hold it into that glue or the adhesive stick. It's kind of loud with the fan, but it's been 24 hours. I could have been removed the tape. I'm gonna remove it with some soap solution. So the tape can come off easily. You're all good now. You're all good. Stuck on now. It's been about a week since I filmed this updated version of me removing and reinstalling the trim due to poor adhesion from the adhesive that comes on these trims. And I started to shoot a short video today to show you all how it looked today, but I think it was unnecessary because it looks incredible just like it looked now. That glue is incredible. It works amazing. I've used it for a very long time. It's impervious. It has great adhesion. It sticks to almost anything. And if you are going to install this bumper trim, I think that's a great choice to use or go out and grab some. It's just great to have around anyway. The glue is incredible. So I will be doing the back bumper in a minute, but I won't be filming it. I will show it though. So stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Terrence, I'm out.